I guess welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Segway Gokart Pro 2 versus Pro. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about top speed. Pro 2 provided 15 mph, 24 km per hour top speed, and it is also provided by Pro, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weight capacity. Pro 2 provided 220 lbs 100 kg weight capacity, and it is also provided by Pro, so both are equal. Now let's look at the age range. The age range is 14 plus years. So both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. The battery life up to 15 km 9 miles. So both are equal. Now let's look at the drive modes. Three drive modes, beginner, regular and sports is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the improved stability. In Pro 2, enhanced handling with added stability is available, and in Pro standard handling is available, so Pro 2 is better. Now let's look at the design. In Pro 2, updated sleek design, improved frame is available, and in Pro, original design is available, so Pro 2 is better. Now let's look at the app integration. Yes, with enhanced features is available on Pro 2, and yes, only the basic feature is available on Pro. So Pro 2 is better. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of Pro 2 is slightly higher, and the price of Pro is slightly lower. So Pro is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.